Just got on this rock bed up there a little bit. Didn't find nothing there. Worked our way over here. Started out here. Looks like I found the first one for today. Kind of a weird shape one. Flat on the back and round on the front. Kind of weird blunt end on it. Kind of on the one side. And we just started. Hopefully we'll find some more.